Alright, for step number 1, just to turn on your Oculus, just press this button right here. And you turn it on. Alright, step number 2, press this button right here. Usually see my thumb moves. And then click it, and then you'll see Gorilla Tag right here. So click on that. And now you'll be looking at Gorilla Tag. You just have to give it a minute. And there you are. Step number 3, learn to walk. Your hands act as your feet. So when you move your hands, you're practically moving your entire body. So, step number 4. You're gonna want to be in a private server unless you want to deal with people, which most of the time you don't. So, go to the room at this computer and just make a random code. Most of the time I just, spam it. Then hit enter. And now you're gonna have to give it a moment to load you in. Because, you're loading into a new server. And, dang. For step number 6, you're going to want to be able to jump. So, just put both hands on the ground, or one hand, and then launch yourself up. And then that's how you jump. You just do it until you understand how to do it. For step number 6, to run, is pretty much just walking, except you just speed it up. Just like so. Alright, for step number 7, you're going to do a thing called pinch climbing, where you grab a wall, or just a tree, and then you throw yourself up while catching yourself, and you do it until you're all the way at the top. Like so. So, for step number 8, you're going to do a thing called branching, where you just hop from branch to branch, like Tarzan, or just platform to platform. So for step number 9, you're going to want to navigate these walls by jumping side to side. But when you jump at a wall, you realize how your hand sticks to a wall for a brief moment. That helps you jump up and down. So you just have it stick and just jump from side to side until you're all the way up at the top. Step number 10, you're going to want to do a slide juke, which where you just fling yourself off the slide. But here, you're going to have to learn this first. Your hand acts as a hitbox. If you hit something, it'll hit back. However, your arm, you can just go straight through things. Don't know why, but they just do. So, a slide juke is where you put your arms through the slide while going fast, and then you put your hand here, and then when you get towards the end, you kind of fling yourself like that. Here's what the ending product should look like. So for step 11, you're going to do a wall climb, where you just climb the walls. It's kind of like the wooden walls over there, but instead you kind of took your hand at a 45-degree angle and just nudge yourself. Remember how your hands stick to the wall? That helps you. So you just do this all the way to the top. It gets people away from the taggers. So you can't go as high as it looks because they have a barrier, but that's as high as you can go. 12, to do a thing called wall running. It's a little bit different than wall climbing. What you do is you put your hand parallel to the wall, and you push yourself up while you're against the wall. So to wall run. And this is what the finished project should look like. Just kind of like that, where you just go up and against the wall. For the 13th step, you're going to want to go over to the cave and just go in it and just travel down the path until you get to the sliding ropes. And this is what you're going to learn, how to go down these ropes. They just slide. Use the trigger button to grab, and you just jump and grab the slide, and you'll slide all the way down. And going back, sometimes if you're going up, you stop, and then you're gonna slide back. But to stop that, you grab and then let go, and grab it back to make yourself go even faster. So So for step 14, you're going to learn how to climb a vertical rope. Just use the same grab button, and then just grab the rope and pull yourself up until you're all the way up at the top. You can do a little jump like this to boost yourself higher, but most of the time I just do this because sometimes you'll fail the jump. For step number 15, you're going to learn how to close the game. So press the Oculus button right there, and then go over to quit, and just select quit. Ignore my character. Alright, so to start running, you have to. Ow, Jesus! I just hit my bed frame. Ow.